Wave Apps offers a freemium accounting and financial management platform with optional paid subscriptions for advanced features. The platform provides free basic bookkeeping tools, while paid plans unlock unlimited invoicing, payroll processing, and app integrations. As of late 2024, Wave offers solo and professional plans with features tailored for growing businesses. The dashboard provides an easy-to-use interface for managing invoices, cash flow, and bank accounts. This video series explains how to manage your Wave app subscription, covering cancellation, downgrading, and handling your data. Understanding how to navigate these options is crucial for small business owners and freelancers to control their expenses. Downgrading allows you to switch to a lower-tiered plan, like moving from the professional to the solo plan, while retaining your existing data. Downgrading allows you to switch to a lower-tiered plan, like moving from the professional to the solo plan, while retaining your existing data. To downgrade, navigate to Settings, then Billing, and select Manage Subscription. From Settings, choose the Billing option. Click on Manage Subscription to view your current plan. Select the Downgrade option and confirm your choice. The change will take effect at the start of your next billing cycle. This is ideal if you need fewer features but want to keep your data intact. Canceling your Wave app subscription ends access to premium features, but you keep free accounting tools. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Wave apps account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the Settings menu in your account dashboard. Then, click on Billing within the Settings menu. Select Manage Subscription to proceed with changes. Click Cancel Subscription to begin the process. Provide a reason for cancellation if prompted, then confirm. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email detailing the cancellation. When you cancel your Wave app subscription, the platform retains your data for 7 years for tax purposes. Wave app stores your financial data securely in the cloud. After cancellation, this data remains accessible for tax compliance requirements. However, once canceled, you lose access to premium features and can no longer enter new transactions or invoices. Before canceling, it's essential to export your data. Wave allows exports in CSV format for invoices, transactions, and reports. Make sure to back up all necessary data to your local device. This ensures you have permanent access to your financial records. Users sometimes encounter common issues when managing their Wave app subscriptions. One frequent problem is billing disputes, such as erroneous charges appearing after cancellation. If this happens, contact Wave app support immediately through their 24/7 chat or email options. Refunds for billing errors are typically processed within 5 business days. Another common issue involves difficulties exporting data. This can occur when trying to download financial records, invoices, or transaction reports. To resolve this, ensure you have a stable internet connection and try exporting your data in smaller batches to prevent timeouts. For additional troubleshooting, check Wave's Help Center, which provides detailed guides on resolving export problems and other subscription issues. The platform's support team can also assist with any specific challenges you encounter. Wave app's policies and subscription models can change over time due to regulatory updates, new features, or market conditions. To manage your subscription effectively, it's crucial to stay informed about these changes. Regularly review Wave's terms of service, privacy policy, and billing information to understand your rights and responsibilities. These documents outline data handling, cancellation procedures, and any recent updates. Check their official website and support resources for the latest details and any changes that may affect your subscription management. This includes pricing updates, new features, and policy revisions. Staying informed helps you avoid unexpected changes and make better subscription decisions. Regularly check Wave's resources to stay ahead of any updates.